Kuya, bakit hindi po nilalanggam yung mga kulungan mo? Ganito po kasi ginagawa ko yan. Binabasa ko po yan, sinasabog ko pa. Yan, yung mga ilalim nila. Talagang inaano ko po yan. Para mawala yung ano ng langgam. Yung mga ginagawa nilang green pan. Mga batteries nila. Ito yung mga langgam nila naglalagay naman yan sa pagkain kami na pagkain.
I'll be there whenever you want.
Tayo.
I need somebody who can love me at my worst.
Parang di sila langgam.
No, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth. Cause it's only you, nobody knew I put you first.
Diba?
And for you, girl, that's where I do the work. If you stay forever, let me hold your hand. I can feel those places in your heart no one else can.
Ngayon,
Let me show you love, oh I don't pretend.
isang robo natin.
I'll be right here, baby, you know I'll sink or swim.
Mahirap talaga makabuhay ng robo blue kasi
Don't you
sa
worry,
5 anak niya, minsan isa
I'll
lang.
be there whenever you
Parang naging abnormalities pa ngayon.
I need somebody who can love me at my
Mas
worst.
maliit siya sa lahat.
No, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth. Cause it's only you, nobody knew I put you first.
Kaya hindi sila
And for
nilalanggam.
you, girl, that's where I do the work.
Sasabunin niyo po yung pinagalagay niyo po ng para mawala yung ano